Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2016 Chevy Equinox. Stock number is A7233. Starting right away up front, you have factory fog lamps and a nice chrome grille. A look down the passenger side, you have alloy wheels wrapped with Michelin Latitude tires. Inside, cloth interior. Seats are very clean all the way throughout. Up top you have a sunroof and a cargo rack. One more look down the passenger side, then we're going to swing around to the back end. You have a rear backup camera, and this Equinox is all-wheel drive. So on those wintry Wisconsin days, you won't be sliding all over the road. There's a 60-40 split on the back seats, so you can fold those down if you need more space. You also have a power assist liftgate here, so with simply the press of that button, hatch folds itself down just like that. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of Highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used car dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Cruise, audio, and Bluetooth controls. Full touchscreen that includes your stereo and navigation. Climate control and dual heated seats, and your automatic transmission is here. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this Equinox on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. All of this and much more at holidayautomotive.com.